So today we tell you how to wire this cable rolling machine. This is the wire comes out from the machine, and you can see these 3 wires. So for first one, this brown one is the leaf wire, and this one is ground wire, and this one is zero wire. So zero wire will be plugged in the zero wire in here. And then the leaf wire goes to leaf wire. And then this is the zero wire connected to this way. Then this wiring will be all fine. To turn this machine on, press this power button, and then the machine is ready to work. One for down, one for up. These 2 buttons. So this is how to set the temperature. This button is for the temperature up and down. After everything is set, this is the lighting temperature. When lighting to 120, it will be automatically stop. This is for the turn on or turn off the lighting temperature. And this button here is for the hydrant. It's for hydrant turn on or turn off. Turn off, turn on. And then the speed is for the regulator. See, this is for the speed of the silicon roller speed, fast and slow. And the meter here is for setting how many down press time. If you need a second meter, or you can set. For now we set about 20 seconds. 20 seconds for the down press. And we will light up. It's going to press in 20 seconds. After 20 seconds elapse, it will automatically light up. That's very simple. The operation is quite simple. And this is for the this is for emergency stop. If you want to start the machine immediately, just press it. Emergency stop, then the whole machine will be shut off. Lose it, and then you can turn it on again. As for this machine, it is hydraulic type. So the hydraulic oils will be, you need to be added yourself. So open the front door. So you can see the hydraulic system here. This is the hydraulic tank. You also need to open the side door as well.
因为红色线系低的，黑色线系高的。
As you can see, you can see the high the hydrogen oil here. If it's below this red line, that means the hydrogen oil is not enough. If you are over this line, it will be miss too many hydrogen oil.